Hi, welcome to another software release update video for Access OS, the operating system that powers our Access network devices. My name is Bingfen, and I'm with the Access OS product management team at Access Communications. In today's video, we will go through features and updates in Access OS 12.4. Let's begin with general updates. First, we have introduced a new export-import device configuration feature designed to simplify and streamline device setup. Second, we have implemented a new feature for devices equipped with case or cover opening detection. In the event that the cover is opened, a notification will be displayed in the web interface. Furthermore, we have expanded the customization options for text overlays. Now, you can rotate the text overlays to achieve optimal positioning in the video stream. Lastly, we updated to the 2025A time zone database to ensure accurate global time handling in our devices. In the realm of cybersecurity, we are introducing two significant features this time. First, we have incorporated support for OAuth 2.0 client credential flow, enabling secure token-based machine-to-machine communication. Second, we have introduced a new crypto policy setting, providing users with the option to select between the standard OpenSSL Cipher Suite or FIPS 140-2 Cipher Suite, commonly referred to as FIPS mode. In addition to these new features, we have updated various software components to increase the overall cybersecurity level. Notably, with 12.4, we also addressed the two-axis CVEs. These CVEs will be publicly disclosed on the 2nd of June with more detailed information. In the area of analytics, we are very pleased to announce that our Access Image Health Analytics now supports OnWave Profile T. Furthermore, it has been included as a pre-installed application on more products. The Access Live Privacy Shield is also now pre-installed on Access Q1728. When it comes to product-specific updates, we have implemented the following enhancements. First, for all products powered by our Big 9 chipset, we added support for B-frames in the ZipStream storage profile for AV1 format. On selected products, we have added support for straighten image feature in the web interface. With Access intercoms, we now include logs within the entry list section of the web interface. The Access F91 main units now support two new 4K sensors. We have also enhanced the user experience for the following products. We have added an autofocus option to the on-screen control for the Access Q9307-LV. Moreover, we added a heater control for Access M4318 cameras, providing users with great convenience and ease of use. Now, let's shine a spotlight on some highlights from this release. The export-import feature streamlines the process of configuring multiple devices, saving valuable time and effort. By initially logging to a single device and performing necessary configurations, users can subsequently export the settings to a JSON file. This file can be directly modified to create a standardized configuration template, which can be seamlessly imported via the web interface to configure the rest of the devices. Please note that this new feature is still in beta and not turned on by default. To use it, you have to toggle it on first. As demonstrated here, I have a camera on my desk with its cover removed. On the right-hand side of the screen, the web interface displays a notification reminding me that the device cover has been taken off. With text overlays, we can now rotate these overlays to achieve optimal positioning, enhancing the overall visual experience and allowing for greater flexibility. Now, on the security settings, you can find the option to select between the standard OpenSSL Cipher Suite and FIPS 140-2 Cipher Suite, also known as FIPS mode. This feature empowers users to tailor their cryptographic settings to meet specific regulatory requirements. And in 12.4, the FIPS mode only applies to the built-in HTTPS server, 8021.x wide connections, and MACsec. More applications will be supported in future releases, and this new feature is currently not available on devices utilizing CV25 chipset. By adding support for OAuth 2.0 client credential flow in our devices, Now, a client software can securely access a device without user interaction. The client uses its own credentials to authenticate with the authorization server. Upon successful authentication, the authorization server issues an access token, which the client can use to access the device directly, enabling machine-to-machine interactions. While we always advise straightening the image during the initial installation process, there may be instances where mounting the camera perfect level is not achievable. In such cases, the straighten image feature is a great help, allowing for adjustments to be made to compensate for any deviations from ideal positioning. Access intercoms have been upgraded to include locks within the entry list section of the web interface, facilitating more comprehensive monitoring and management. And that concludes the XSOS 12.4 release update. Stay tuned for the upcoming video content covering XSOS 12.5 release in June. Thank you for watching. Please explore the provided links for more information. Until next time, take care and goodbye.